friends, I'm Nisha Ghai, a palmist, numerologist and astrologer, and today's topic is very interesting. It's about your numbers, yes, about your date of birth, that how you can use your date of birth and what remedies you should do as per your personality number. We all have a personality number. It is very easy to calculate a personality number. Like if your date of birth is 24, then you should add 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So 6 is your personality number. So today's topic is about that what remedies you should do as per your personality numbers to enhance luck, to enhance wealth, to bring good luck, to get good family relations. And as you all know that my remedies are very easy to do. So I'm sure you are going to like this video, and if you like this video, do subscribe this video. We all know that numbers are very important, and they have a specific vibration, and a planet is associated with every number. So whatever is our date of birth, that planet qualities do get enhanced in us, and our behavior pattern, our liking, our disliking are as per that planet. So I normally say that yes, every number is governed by a planet, and we do have these qualities, and these follow these qualities, and we follow the specific traits of that planet which we have. And that is exactly what I'm going to tell you today, that how you can use these easy remedies in enhancing your planet, also enhancing good luck and bringing good luck. Like for date of birth 1, 10, 19 and 28, the number is 1. As I've told you how to add these date of births to find out your birth date, personality number. Now what is personality? Personality is how you are. What are your likings? What is your behavior? So all it depends upon your date of birth. So if you are number 1, then the planet is Sun. So you should be confident if it is placed well. If the number is strong, you should be confident, you should be good leader, outspoken, but they also love beauty, and they also make very good friends, and they are loyal to these friends. So this is a quality of Sun which normally number 1 people carry. Now, if it is not well, or it is repeated so many times in your date of birth, so what you should do? Well, I will not say that these remedies should be done only by those people who have negative numbers or who have repetition in their numbers. I will suggest that every person born with number 1 date of birth as their personality number can do these remedies to enhance their life. Yeah, and as you know, planet Sun is a number of governed by number 1 is governed by planet Sun. So I always say that yes, add energy of Sun in your life. That is very important. Either you can do Surya Namaskar every day in the morning, or you should also sit for some time under Sun to get the positive energy of Sun, and it will improve your health. It will also improve your confidence. And one thing more, that number 1 people love to dress up, so they should always dress up very nicely and wisely, because they love to look attractive. They want to always look attractive, so they should dress up very nicely. And another thing I also suggest you, that nowadays, since mobile and laptops and iPads are very popular, so you should, or you can, make your beautiful picture as your wallpaper for you, because whenever you will see your face every day in the morning, the planet Sun will get enhanced. But do not forget to sit under Sun. So these are the easy remedies. And let's talk about number 2. The number 2 is governed by Moon. Now what is Moon? Moon is, we normally say mind. These people do get deviated very fast, but they are very affectionate to their mother. They love their mother, and they also love to travel. So since they do get deviated very fast, but they are romantic people as well. I will suggest people with personality number 2 to drink lot of water, because deficiency of water or dehydration can cause problems in their life. So to avoid any problem in your life, you should drink a lot of water, but in silver glass. If it is not possible for you to have a silver glass, then you can keep a silver coin in your purse or your pocket every day. Now this is something which is very important to get connection with silver, since water we connect with money. So to avoid any kind of money flow, I also say to number 2 people that they should carry water with them, and they should not waste water. Well, this goes for general everybody also, that we should not waste water, since it's very important for us. Let's talk about number 3. Number 3 is governed by Jupiter. Now Jupiter is a guru. Now guru is a teacher, so these people are very honest and they are also religious minded, but they do end up spending a lot and also eating a lot. So first of all, I will suggest you to take care of your health. That is very, very important, to avoid excessive use of spices, because that will upset their stomach, and their food habits should be taken care of. But another thing which I always suggest personality number 3 people, that they should enhance their northeast direction with yellow color. Yeah, because color yellow is of east and also of number 3, so they should enhance their direction, northeast direction, with yellow color. Now let's talk about 4 number, which is Rahu, and Rahu is something which is destroying, which is distraction, which is continuation, which is confusion. So for these people, I always suggest to focus on something, focus is very important. So mantra chanting is also a very important part of role which plays in focus, in enhancing focus in our life. I also suggest number 4 people to do Ganesh Puja. So you can actually chant a very simple mantra of Ganesha, that is Om Gan Ganpataye Nama. I repeat, Om Gang Ganpataye Nama. You should chant this mantra. You should pray God Lord Ganesha, and also do a lot of meditation to avoid any kind of distraction, because distraction can spoil many goals and many things, and it can bring stress in number 4 people life whose personality number is 4. Let's talk about personality number 5. Now Lord is Mercury. Mercury is a planet of communication, which is a very, very important thing nowadays. We are seeing communication industry, technology industry blooming up. Talking is the skill. So I will suggest them to actually make Tulsi a part of their food every day. Yeah, Tulsi part of their food every day. They should swallow Tulsi. They can also put drink water with Tulsi, or anyway you should have Tulsi in any part of your food. This will enhance the quality. Also it will enhance the Mercury planet, and will also make you more people who are a little outspoken or a little bitter sometimes. This balances the quality of talking and gives them more knowledge, because Mercury is also considered as a planet of knowledge. Venus number 6. Yes, personality number 6, Venus. They love to have a wonderful house, a big car. They love luxuries. They love good food. This Venus is also considered as a planet of romance, but Venus is also a teacher, Shukracharya. So they are very good and educated people as well. But I will suggest them to use more of perfume, because dressing up and wearing good clothes is also a part of personality number 6, which they love to do. They may not get it, that is different. I will suggest them to use little perfume every day before going to work every day. So this will also enhance the number and its quality. Ketu number 7 is governed by Ketu. Ketu is sometimes mistaken, but I say Ketu is a planet of enhancement, self-enhancement. It distracts, it detacts, but of course it gives self-enhancement also, and little bit of richness in your personality, that is given by Ketu. How can we balance Ketu if it is not well placed? But I will tell every person with date of birth 7 or personality number 7 that they should also increase their focus because they do get distracted. So breathing exercises, something like pranayams, you should do every day. That is very, very important. Any kind of pranayam is going to do. Ganesh mantra, I also recommend them. Praying of Lord Ganesha, I recommend, like I said, Om Gang Ganpatai Nama is their mantra. So they should do a lot of breathing exercises and pranayam also. Let's talk about Saturn, the most talked about planet in this earth, which is going retrograde nowadays and stays in any Rashi for 2.5 years and leaves a lot of effect. So 8 number people should take care of their subordinates because it's a planet for masses. So these people should actually have good relations with their servants and their subordinates. That is very, very important. And another tip which I'm going to tell you, always manage and maintain your shoe rack. You will see the difference coming in you. 9 number is a number of Mars. Mars is a planet of energy. It's a planet of fire. So if it's a planet of fire, so what is connecting with the fire in a house? That is kitchen. I will recommend number 9 personality number to cook their food if it is possible for them, or they should pick up their food themselves from kitchen, or if possible eat in kitchen. So have an association of fire in any way. If you have liked my video, do subscribe it. I will come back to you with different topics. So have a great day. Thank you very much.